Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to add income to Ynab. To add income in Ynab, follow the simple steps and make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open the Ynab application from your app drawer and make sure that you are signed into your account. After logging into your account, from the main homepage, make sure that you select the budget you'd like to work with. Now from this main homepage, go ahead and tap on the transaction button at the bottom of the screen. Now choose the inflow option at the top right and then enter the amount that you'd like to add for your income or salary. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on choose payee and find or add a payee. Choose the category where you can simply go ahead and select income, select your account, date, and other options from this page. You can also go ahead and input the date of the income. If you would like to enter a special memo for the transaction, you can also go ahead and do it from this page. After going ahead and entering all of the details, tap on the save button at the bottom right hand corner, which will then be able to add income to your Ynab account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.